Good morning, students. How are you all? Today, we are going to talk about orders of nature. Four orders of nature. So, our today's topic is four orders of nature. Okay, you must have you must have idea that we have a soil, water, metals, plants, tree, animal, birds, human being around us. Okay, so according to it, we have to discuss four orders of nature. Okay, so let's make a table first. First order, second things, and here natural, characteristic. Okay, so order first, material order things, natural, characteristic. First, material order things, things, soil, okay, water, okay, metals, etc. Okay, if we talk about natural characteristic, composition, and decomposition. D okay, composition and decomposition. Okay, second thing is that, okay, first thing, material order, okay, soil, water, metals, etc. And characteristic, composition and decomposition. Pranic order, second, what? Pranic order. Okay, in pranic order, things, plants and trees, plants and trees. And if we talk about natural characteristic, composition, decomposition, plus nurture and Watson. Okay, in pranic order, plants and trees, composition, decomposition, nurture and Watson. Next, third, animal order. Animal order. Okay, here animals and birds. Animals and birds. Okay, and we can define characteristic here: composition, decomposition, okay, nurture, Vasan, in body, plus non-cruelty, non-cruelty, cruelty in I. Okay, what is animal order? Animals and birds, composition, decomposition, nurture, worsen in body plus non-cruelty, cruelty in I. Okay, fourth thing is that human order. Human order. Okay, see, in human order, human beings, things, human beings. Okay, and if we talk about characteristics, composition, decomposition, nurture, worsen. Okay, composition, decomposition, nurture, worsen in body and body plus perseverance, bravery, generosity in I. Okay, so in human order, human beings, a composition, decomposition, nurture, worsen in body plus perseverance, bravery, generosity in I. Okay, perseverance, being assured, it means perseverance. Being assured that the all encompassing solution is to understand and live in harmony at all levels of existence, living with this commitment without any perturbation. Okay. Next thing is that bravery. Okay. Bravery, I mean virta, being assured that the all encompassing solution is to understand uh, and live in harmony at all levels, and I'm ready to have the other to have the right understanding. Okay, this is the commitment to help the other have the right understanding of the harmony and living at all levels of existence. Okay, next, generosity, I mean udarta, being assured that all encompassing solution is to understand and living in harmony at all four levels. Okay, four levels, you know material order, pranic order, animal order, and human order. Okay, so if we were talking about generosity, udarta, being assured that all encompassing solution is to understand and live in harmony, at all four levels, and I'm ready to invest myself, my body, and wealth to help the other have the right understanding. Okay, so it was all about four orders of nature. Okay, material order, pranic order, animal order, okay, and human order, things in material order, soil, water, metals, etc. Pranic, it has plants and trees. Animal order, animals and birds. Human order, human beings. If we talk about characteristic, composition and decomposition, composition, In pranic order, composition, decomposition plus nurture and worsen. Okay. In animal order, composition, decomposition, nurture, worsen in body plus non-cruelty and cruelty in I. And human order, okay, we have to add perseverance, bravery and generosity in I. Okay. So it was all about 4 orders of nature. I hope you must have got good knowledge. Thank you very much.